Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 CX-7 Mazda Luxury. Stock reference number 4666. This shape runs from the 11th month 2006 through to the 2nd month 2012. It has a 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic all drive transmission. 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the left hand fog light, left surround, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has two small dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, a little bit milky, tidy bumper cover. Tailgate has three small dents. Right hand tail light also milky, still may be usable. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right front door has two small dents, right power door mirror, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black center console lid, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.